Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to insert an SD card into your IMOU Cell 2 security camera. So here I have the security camera and this SD card that I want to insert. And the first thing we're going to do is untwist the cap on the bottom by just twisting it to the left a little and then just taking it off like this. And what I suggest doing first is taking out the battery, so it's easier to insert the card or take it out. And once you have our card, we're going to just insert it, so this side up. So insert it until it clicks. There we go. And now you can insert the battery back and screw the cap on. And right now I'm just going to quickly show you how to take it out. So it's basically the same. You need to press on it until it clicks, and you can freely take out the card again. There we go. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.